Howdy folks, this is Peyton at Truck Country. We got a liquidation event going on, you don't want to miss it. That's right folks, during this special event here at Truck Country, I'm selling my cars at dealer pricing. That means what I pay for these vehicles as an automotive dealer is what you pay. No other dealership is doing this in town, and I can promise you this is going to be the only time I do this folks, so you don't want to miss this. Like this 2014 Nissan Altima here, guys. This is one of the top rated cars in America. Other dealerships are going to charge you over $10,000 for this car. Here at Truck Country, my price is $7,500 during this event and during this event only. Or I have this 2015 Hyundai Sonata, one of the top ranked cars in America. This is a 2015 car. Most dealerships are going to charge you over $10,000 for this car. My price is $7,200. You can't beat it, folks. I also have this wonderful 2014 Volkswagen Jetta, beautiful blue color. Other dealerships are going to charge you over $15,000 for this car. My price is $10,500. That's only here at Truck Country. And keep in mind, folks, here at Truck Country, we do offer our customers 100% guaranteed credit approval, no matter if you've had repos or if you've been in bankruptcy. All you need to qualify is a 30-day pay stub and proof of your residence, and of course your driver's license, and we can get you in the car. No matter your credit situation, you can drive away with this great process today. That's right, folks. You heard it right. Here at Truck Country at Kingsport, we are offering dealer pricing during this liquidation event. That means what I pay for the vehicle is what you pay for the vehicle. I can guarantee you no other dealership in town is doing what I'm doing. Now feel free to come visit us. We're located at 547 East Sullivan Street in downtown Kingsport. That's across from China Walk downtown. Or you can give us a call at 423-390-8263. Come see us. You don't want to miss these deals.